To fix a Samsung dryer that keeps turning off, there are several possible reasons to consider. One reason is a blocked lint filter, which can cause the dryer to overheat and shut off. To resolve this issue, the lint filter needs to be cleaned before using the dryer. This can be done by removing the lint screen, scooping out the lint buildup with fingers or a soft bristled brush, rinsing the filter under running water, and allowing it to dry before replacing it. Another possible reason for the dryer turning off is a faulty door latch, which is responsible for keeping the door securely shut during use. Over time, the latch can become less effective due to excessive use. To diagnose the issue, the door should be closed to check if it shuts firmly. If not, it may be necessary to replace the latch. To replace the latch, the dryer should be powered down, the hinges removed, and the door disassembled to access the latch. Once the old latch is removed, a new one can be installed, and the door reassembled. After replacing the hinges and powering the unit back up, the issue should be resolved. By following these steps, it is possible to fix a Samsung dryer that keeps turning off.